Hello guys! Are you still finding the best software to back up your iPhone notes? This video introduces Aiseesoft iOS Data Backup Restore to you and teach you how to back up notes with this software. First, download and launch this software on your computer. Then choose iOS Data Backup Restore to enter the main interface. There are two modes you can choose. Select iOS Data Backup mode to backup iPhone contacts. Now you need to connect your iPhone to computer via USB cable. Then there are two backup options are provided when your device is connected. The first option you can select is Standard Backup. You are supposed to choose this one if you only want to back up your iPhone data. But if you want to set a password to protect your private information, you can choose Encrypted Backup. Here we introduce you how to back up iPhone notes with Standard Backup. Click Start to begin your backup and you can see all the data types you can back up. Find notes and check the box. Just click Next to start backup process. If it is the first time you use this software to backup, you need to choose the destination folder where you want to save the backup file firstly. You can also learn the backup process according the process bar. When it is finished, you are successfully backup iPhone notes. And you can also use this software to restore your iOS data easily. That is all. Hope you can gain something helpful in this video.